Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellowfin tuna steak. Start with selecting the freshest yellowfin tuna steaks, ideally about 1 inch thick for even cooking. Pat them completely dry using paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that perfect crust. Then, season both sides generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. A light brush of olive oil will help the seasoning adhere and prevent sticking to the pan. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. For that ideal sear, heat a heavy-bottomed pan, preferably cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking. Add a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, ensuring it coats the pan evenly. Carefully place the seasoned tuna steaks in the hot pan. Sear each side for 1 to 2 minutes for a beautiful rare to medium rare interior, which is how yellowfin tuna is best enjoyed. Understanding doneness is key to perfect tuna. For a rare steak, the center will be cool and vibrant red, with an internal temperature around 115 degrees Fahrenheit. A medium rare tuna will have a warm, pink center, typically reaching 125 degrees Fahrenheit. It's vital to avoid overcooking, as yellowfin tuna can quickly become dry and tough if cooked beyond medium. A quick sear is usually all it needs. Once seared, remove your tuna steaks from the pan and let them rest on a cutting board for about 5 minutes. This resting period is incredibly important, as it allows the juices to redistribute throughout the fish, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful steak. Finally, slice your beautiful yellowfin tuna against the grain into half-inch thick pieces, and it's ready to be served with your favorite accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.